was destroyed in the night and early hours of 31st December 2016. We are here as sympathizers to show love to Uju community.
Rivers State Nigeria I am with tears because in 2013 I came to Uju wrestling contest. What I'm seeing today is a quite very disheartening. I am ashamed that will be treated in this way. I am calling on the federal government not to restore Uju as they restored Oji.
In commemoration of the 10th anniversary of the invasion and destruction of Uju community by the Nigerian army, all protocols duly observed. It is with pain in my heart and extreme pity for my kinsmen and women from Uju Ibru, Ward 7 in Oba ethnic nationality, Oba Ibe Mandoni local government of Rebuild State, that I make this urgent petition to the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria at all levels and concerned entities. For the sake of clarity, Uju community in Oberland and all parts of Onega and extensively Rivers State was in trouble of court and political related arrests between the years of 2014 to 2018, June. Uju was not an exemption and was not also the most notable in the crisis. Unfortunately, the military invaded Uju community in the wee hours of 30th December to 31st December 2016, destroying all houses and public amenities in the Uju community.
This community was invaded on the 31st of December 2016 by Nigerian prior to 2015 general election. Onega was in turmoil. In turmoil in the sense that a lot of persons were killed and many persons took to their heels. In course of preserving one's life, myself in particular, I had to leave the community. I was out of the community until 31st of December 2016. I was called to inform me that my community has been completely burnt down by Nigerian military.
Okay, my name is Comrade Elikwati Chinasa, the Rebuild Youth President General for all the 12 communities of Rebuild Uju. We're here for a solidarity work for the destruction of Uju community, a community in Igbo that makes up the 12 communities of Igbo that was destroyed 3 years back, Saturday, 30th of November 2016. It was an unfortunate situation. And the people of Igbo, we deem it necessary to come all out today in our numbers. And youths, as you can see with me, there are a lot, all the community youth presidents are all here present.
When we remember our children, what are on our way? What are on our way? When we remember Uju, what are on our way?